Hello to guys, my name is Loytech and welcome back to another episode of OmniFactory. So in the previous episode we made this automatic SMD capacitor machine and it took me 15 minutes to figure out everything how it works. But now that I've got more experience, I can move on to like SMD capacitors and transistors. So I'm gonna start with capacitors, and the capacitors require the wire mills. I don't know why I made 4. I think I only needed 2. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is build a 4 high tower this time and place wire mill, wrench, wire mill, wrench, and then fluid extractor, and then wrench this one. Where is my wrench? And then an assembling machine in the middle. So now we can all set all of these to auto output. Oh, I could do that. Okay, so now I have got a chest, so I have prepared some chests, and I think it would be good if I just sometimes glitches. Did auto output this, put a chest here, table, enable, and here it will only take electrum. I need to make it to only take electrum ingots, so that. So what this will do is put an electrum ingot up here, wire mill it once and wire mill it twice to grind it down to a fine wire. And what this thing is going to do is, oh yeah, we need another macerator. So I'm going to put that below ground because, yeah, so this is a 5 high tower. So another wire cable. So this will first, oh actually I messed something up again. So this will first get the coal and macerate it into coal powder, charcoal powder or coal powder, and then it will grind it down into what's it called? Carbon powder. Oh, I put an assembling machine. Wrong. Fluid extractor and assembly machine. Okay, so now coal or charcoal rather. Oh, actually no. I messed this up. This has to be bigger. So we don't put the dust into the fluid extractor, put it into the centrifuge. I need to feed a centrifuge somewhere. Let's place it here. Yeah. Okay, so first I need to place a macerator up here. Then this auto output, and then a centrifuge, auto output, output. Everything has to be an auto output, and then an assembler, and then connect the wires. Okay, so now I just have to get enough jump to get over it. So I have to delete this one, enable this one. Oh, it doesn't matter, just disable it and put a piece of charcoal dust in here. So this charcoal dust will go grind itself down to charcoal powder and then into the carbon powder and then into the assembling machine. And now we can just do this, remove the chest temporarily. We can enable, oh, when my wrench broke. And here we only need polyethylene sheets. If I go here, polyethylene, and back here and do this, and then a chest. Auto output, and then here I have to place an interface and then another filter upgrade with the SMD components being the resistor this time. Need to grab a resistor and where is it? This thing. There we go. And insert filter and SMD resistor. So I'm going to put it so it puts um, 4 charcoal dust, 3 electrum ingots, and 4 actually I think it's so 1 ingot creates 8 and 4 are required for each recipe, so 24. No, we need 6 actually. Yeah, so we need charcoal. Okay, so just clear this. I just made some machine hole automation in episodes. So processing pattern 1 2 3 4 5 6 pieces of coal, 3 pieces of electrum, and 6 pieces of polyethylene. This should create, let's see, let me clear my inventory first. Yep. So if I check how much I can create with that, so disable the wire mill, put this into the wire mill, get this out of the macerator, put this in here, loop this backwards, centrifuge this, and then wait, no, so 3 ingots, yeah, 6, should be 6, and 6 polyethylene sheets in here. Yeah, it is 6, it uses 4 per operation, and it is 6 and 6 because it's the only divisible. Wait, is it the only divisible? Could use 1 ingot. Oh, why am I doing that like that? I can use 1 ingot. Yeah, I'm stupid. One ingot, 1 charcoal. Actually, no, 2 charcoal. And 2 polyethylene. Into 48 of these. So pattern terminal. And now pattern. Encode, and there we go. So this should be enough for 1. This should work now. So SMD dot capacitor resistor say electromin yeah, I have. So SMD resistor, next start. Let's see how. Okay, so this seems to be working. Yep, and I forgot to wire it properly, so that was the only issue. Yep, and polyethylene. Why isn't polyethylene? Oh yeah, got to enable voice active inputs. There we go. Fully automatic SMD resistors. Of course, I need to disable this. I put this too close. Okay, so the next thing we need is the automatic, the transistor. So so this one. So this one just takes a gallium plate and fine annealed copper wire, and two ingots of polyethylene. So for this one, we'll need wires. I have here. So let's see. So The fluid extractor goes on the bottom. Require a wrench because I broke one earlier. And I have one here for the recipes. Wrench here. And then where is it? Wire mills. 1, 2. That's pretty much it. Now we just have to set up the now we just have to set up the item conduits. This one will be a little bit different because I just remembered you need also gallium plates, which I'm not using. I'm not making it in this system, so we'll have to insert them in another way. So if I do this, disable this one, and here should go annealed copper wires, or just annealed copper, and then I need some gallium plates. I'm going to automize using the compressor method. I already have one interface because I was making those. First we got the interface in the previous video, and then I just added something for the MV machine holes. And now we can just connect this. Always active. Where is it? Filter, gallium plate, and up here, filter, annealed copper wire. So this should be always active as well. And down here, also do filter, but this time we should do polyethylene sheets. And that didn't help us at all. To break this one, extract, always active, and plate storage back. And now we have to get the polyethylene. So this recipe will be a little bit different because in the recipe we have, you can see we require oh wait, you can do that. Okay, in the recipe you require 6 of these. We can only make them in stacks of 8. So what we need to do is make four of these, or 3 ingots, and make them that way. That's why I was confused when it didn't work with the resistors. It only because it works with these and not those. Need to enable auto output, auto output, auto output, auto output. Okay, so we require polyethylene. We require 8 of those. Gallium. We also require 8 of these. And I'm just gonna actually make a pattern first, so clear this. Oh no. Okay, so I coded it so it can create plates in the compressor. Now I can just request 7 of those. Yeah, there we go. Automation is the absolute best. So we need, I don't have any copper. Have any? Yeah, okay, so I'm going to have to make some more of that copper. And the way we make it is grab some, we have to grab some oxygen and do this and that. We just grab some more copper just so we can make a bunch of them. Only requires a few seconds, like 4 seconds I believe, or 8 seconds. Let me see. So 10 seconds actually. Okay, so now we have 3 of those. I can go to the pattern. Have gallium, do we? Yeah, there we go. So 8 gallium plates. No. 4 gallium plates. 8 polyethylene sheets. And 3 annealed copper wires to make 32 of transistors. I believe you can make them in stacks of 32. Yep. So 32. And then if I dump all of this in and go to a blank pattern, and let's just test it out. And of course I forgot the interface. You can just get one from any source by CTRL clicking. As you can see, just that's a shift. CTRL only shifts one through. And then we can place this. Do that. And a conduit. That filter. There we go. Nice. I like this feature. So now the only thing we need to do is test it out. Let's see. So restore. Let's go there and see if it works. Yep. Looks like it's working. Volume. Extract. Oh yeah, insert. There we go. This is truly amazing. We can make 2 stacks of gallium, or not gallium, 2 stacks of SMD transistors with just a couple of clicks. And that's these 3 columns here are the base of automation of refined circuits. So if I go refined, as you can see, the only other thing we need is a sensor processing unit and plastic circuit board and some fine tail alloy wire, because we have automized these. And this we can just run through wire mill ones because they go directly from ingot to fine. This we can, I guess, insert manually, and I'm going to make the plastic circuit board recipe in the next few episodes. And this is great. We have the SMD components automized. So yeah, that will be it for today's episode. Hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to hit like button, and hopefully I will see you in the next episode.